If you're trying to delete a scheduled email in Yahoo Mail, there's one important thing you need to know right away. Yahoo Mail does not actually support scheduled emails in the same way some other email services do. So if you think you scheduled an email and want to remove it, what you're really dealing with is usually a draft that was saved for later or a message you were planning to send manually. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you the simple way to find it and delete it safely. And if this video helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Yahoo Mail and sign into your account if you aren't already logged in. Once you're on the Yahoo Mail dashboard, look for the folder list on the left side of the screen. The place you want to check is Drafts. Since Yahoo Mail does not have a true built-in scheduled email feature, anything you were preparing to send later is most likely sitting in your Drafts folder. Click Drafts to open it. Now go through the list and find the email you want to delete. If you have multiple drafts saved, you may need to open the message to make sure it's the correct one. Once you've found it, click to open the draft. This will show you the full email content, including the subject line, recipient, and body text. After you confirm it's the one you want to remove, look for the delete option. In Yahoo Mail, this is usually the trash can icon or a button labeled delete, depending on the version you're using. Click delete and the draft will be moved to the trash folder. That means it is no longer active and won't be sent later. If you want to be extra safe, you can also go to the trash folder afterward and permanently remove it from there. That step is optional, but it's useful if you don't want the draft hanging around in your account. Just remember, once something is deleted from trash, it may not be easy to recover. If you don't see the email in drafts, double check whether you saved it in another folder or started it in a different device or browser. Sometimes people think an email is scheduled, but it was never actually saved as a draft at all. In that case, there may be nothing to delete because the message was never queued by Yahoo Mail. So the short version is this: open Yahoo Mail, go to drafts, open the email, and click delete. That is the safest and fastest way to remove a message you were planning to send later. I hope this guide made it easy to understand. If it helped, make sure to give this video a like and subscribe to the channel for more quick and simple tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.